Good morning, children. Today is 18th November 2020 and we have worksheet number 16 of English with us. It is from the poem Geography Lesson. Now, in the last worksheet, you read a poem about the perspective of a man who sees the city from above, seated in a jet plane. Name the man whose perspective we read in the last worksheet's stanzas. So we have to name the poet here. Who is the poet? Zulfikar Ghosh. Now let us read the remaining poem and see what happens when we will go much higher. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round, and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across the cities, and to kill. From the height, it was not clear why. So, what was the height that the jet attained? Choose the correct answer. So we have to tell the correct answer, and as you can see in the very first line, the answer should be 6 miles, B option. Coming to the second question, what does the poet learn about the earth? What does the poet learn? That the earth was round, that the earth had boundaries, that the earth had no land, that the earth was entirely made up of water. So, second line, it was clear that the earth was round, so the correct option is A. Coming to the third question, what is a threat to the logic of geography? What is the threat? Man, animal, water or land? What is threat? जिससे खतरा हो तो कौन है threat? That the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across the cities and to kill. So the right answer would be threat is men. Make a list of the rhyming words from the above mentioned stanza. Rhyming words, example, high, why. So what are the other rhyming words? Round, found, land, understand. These are rhyming words. And coming to the fifth question, state one thing that became clear and one thing that remains unclear to the poet. So, what is the one thing that becomes clear? See the second line. It was clear that the earth was round, that it had more sea than land. So, it is clear. And what is not clear? It is not clear. What is not clear? It was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across the cities, and to kill. So this will come in not clear, and first three lines will come in what is clear to the poet. So this is how you are going to solve your worksheet number 16. And let us see the cap message. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly. Goodbye, children. Do your work neatly and share it with your English teacher.